Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, TeTe Naturals. It's your girl TeTe. If you like what you see, let's keep on watching. I'm gonna keep this intro short, so let's go ahead and get into this beat. So super disclaimer, this video is from last year around my birthday, which was September 1st. So I don't remember all the products that I used, and I truly apologize for that, but I tried to show as much products as I possibly could. So yeah, and I'm also a beginner, so if you see anything that I messed up with, instead of criticizing, let's help a queen out. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking and just let y'all watch what I do. Okay, period. Okay, TeTe. Okay, period. You see me. You in my business. Don't do this with these kids. One of them will get pulled in. So if you made it this far, it obviously means that you like the look, right? So without further ado, y'all, this is the end of this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.